Hi, LearnDash users. Do you want to add or update your courses from Excel spreadsheet? It is very easy to do that through our LearnDash Course Import plugin. You can just enter fields that you want to add or update. Here is how you can do. If you're using LearnDash Course Importer plugin, then following major points you should be aware of. 1. Course title, lesson title, and topic title are case sensitive. That means if you are updating course data, then course title is mandatory. Let's see. Two. If you updating lesson, then course title and lesson title are required fields. Three. If you are updating the topic, then course title, lesson title, and topic title are mandatory. Four. If the course title does not exist, then it will be created fresh, but if that exists, then its description or content will be just updated. Five. If the lesson title does not exist in course, then it will be created fresh, but if that exists, then its description or content will be just updated. Six. If the topic title does not exist in the lesson of course, then it will be created fresh, but if that exists, then its description or content will be just updated. 7. If you are using the same lesson title in different courses, then a new lesson will be created. 8. If you are using same topic title in different lessons, then new topic will be created. 9. You cannot use same lesson title on same course to create new lesson. 10. You cannot use same topic title on same lesson to create new topic. 11. Feature image will be uploaded each time your upload file. If you don't want to change feature image, then remove this from file when uploading file again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click bell icon for latest video.